Who has heard about biohacking? Tell you a little bit what biohacking is. Before the 1980s, in the history of medicine, what really people are looking at is disease formation. You don't go and see the doctor if you don't have a problem. Then in the 1980s, developed prevention. Now you want to just prevent having the problem, but you're still not healthy. You just don't have the problem. The big problem that the doctor tells you have a diagnosis. So what has developed since then, at some point in the 1980s, early 2000, and now it has become termed biohacking, is understanding that there's a lot of things that you can do to your body to not only avoid the problem, but really be able to establish like optimal health. Things like, I'm sure you've heard, for example, of cold plunge. You know, you take a bath full of ice and you get into it. You think that it's just going because it's sharpening your mind, it's waking you up, but there's a lot of other things physiologically that are taking place, releasing cold shock protein, all kinds of things that can have a huge impact on overall health. And you don't do it because you're sick. You do it because you want to experience optimal health. That's the whole concept of biohacking. It's getting super strong and realizing that it's not really in the region. So maybe we'll start to organize next year the first Malaysian biohacking conference.